Tech is evolving, AI is booming, software engineering is competitive, Web3 is unpredictable. But one thing stays constant: data. If you're looking for high paying career, data is your best bet. And no, you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. In this video, I'll be breaking down why data is the most evergreen and accessible career path in tech. And I'll also be showing you exactly how to get started, no matter your background. Let's dive right in. There is this myth that you need a strong mathematical background or a strong coding skills to break into tech or work in data. And I said false. Someone from marketing can decide to be a marketing data analyst. The point here is that you can leverage your existing skill to transition into data. Think about it. Businesses need data to make informed decisions. AI and machine learning needs data to function. Every new tech innovation is fueled by data. Even in recession, companies cut costs, but they don't stop analyzing data because it's through data, the feedback they get from data, that can direct them the right paths that they can cut the cost from and where to invest in. So a career in data means job security, high demand, and endless opportunities. So here is how you can get started. Choose the path you want. There are so many paths in data: data science, data analytics, data engineer. There are other ones. Choose the one you want and then start learning the tools. I always tell people, don't learn all the tools at once. Choose one tool and start with it. Expertise in that particular tool. If you decide to start with SQL, learn SQL. Be good with SQL. By the time you start learning two, three, four tools at once, you might get confused. Even if you don't get confused, to slow your progress, it will slow how you learn these things fast. And when you expertise in a particular tool, you can use it to apply for job, or you can use it to apply for internship, or you can decide to start with Excel, Python, or even Power BI, Tableau. So many organizations hire people who are skilled in just Power BI because they need their dashboard to track their performance so they can make informed decisions. So when you're choosing the tool to start with, choose just one. After that, choose the next one and continue that way. And the next thing is start building your portfolio immediately. When you're doing these courses, you will see so many projects that you'll be working on. Include them in your portfolio. Don't wait till you are an expert before you start building your portfolio. No. Start building your portfolio immediately because it will help you when you start applying for internship or jobs and they require you to show them their portfolio. You have something to show for it. Even if you don't have so many projects in your portfolio, you don't need to have 100 projects in your portfolio. Two, three, four projects is enough. Even one project, it can still stand you out because you have something to show. Then the next one is don't start paying for courses immediately you start. When you start, don't pay for courses. There are so many platforms offering free resources and free materials that can get you started as a data professional. Along the line, when you advance in your career, you can decide to pay for courses to advance in your career. That's great. But if you have enough money, why not pay? But don't allow finance to be the reason you will not get started. Once you have a stable internet connection, you can get started. You can explore platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and others who offer free resources to get you started in your data career. And then internship. I can't stop emphasizing on the need for you to do internship. If you get a paid internship, that's fine. If you don't get paid internship, leverage unpaid internship. Start those unpaid internship because that is what you include in your experience on LinkedIn. And through these internships, you get hands-on training on real life projects. At this point, and you're not telling your employer that you did this course, you did that course. You're trying to explain to your employer that you've worked on this particular project. And working on these projects will help to build your portfolio because after working on a particular project, you include it in your portfolio. That is building your portfolio. With these internships, your portfolio will look more presentable to your employer. One internship, if you don't get placement by that particular company, try another internship. Internship is another easy way for you to get employed because when you stand out in your internship, when you perform well, so many employers want to employ someone who did internship with them. Why? Because they can see what you can do, they can see your performance, they can track every other thing they need to track rather than getting someone from the outside to fill in that position. But when this company do not work for you, try the next one. By the time you try two, three internships, there are many internships that is 3 months, 6 months. By the time you try two, three internships, you will get employed through your internship. Even if you don't get employed through these internships, try applying to external jobs. outside of your internship. But your internship will give you edge when you're in the job market applying, because there are so many applicants who do not have internships. And internship is a great experience for someone who is breaking into data or tech in general. So leverage internship. So here you have it, how you can get started in the most evergreen and accessible path in tech. So if you found this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share to someone who might be needing to break into tech but don't know how. And also you can leave me a comment in the comment section, the path in data that you'll be taking today, or if you need any free resources, and I'll send you the link right away. Till I see you next time, my name is Chima Wosu. Bye.